In this video, we are going to report on an issue that we have found using the new Windows 11. The best way to report an issue or to make a suggestion or feature request on Windows is by using Feedback Hub. So I'm just going to launch Feedback Hub on my PC. There are different ways in which you can launch Feedback Hub. One easier way is by using Windows F on your keyboard, which also takes a screenshot of your screen. But we're just going to launch it like that, and then you're going to report a problem. So the first thing we want to do is summarize our feedback. We want to make our feedback very precise and concise so that anyone who reads the feedback understands what the issue is. So the first thing we're going to do is say, so the issue I found actually is that the middle clicking is not working on Windows 11. Okay, and I really don't need to include Windows 11 here, because when I submit feedback on my OS, Microsoft actually collect cabs or collect my logs, and they're able to know the version of the operating system that I'm using. So the next thing I'll do is explain in more detail the issue that I'm facing. So the issue that I'm facing is my middle clicking mouse is not working when I'm browsing or when I try to launch a new instance of an app from the taskbar over here. So I'll just come here and say middle clicking not working when browsing or when I try to launch a new instance of an app from the taskbar. Cool. So we have a typo, and the next thing I'll just move to the next, just click next, and then from here I'll choose the category. So it's a problem, and the issue is a mouse issue, so it's input and language. Is it input and yes, input and language, is it? Let's try and find the best category, so what this ensures that your feedback actually goes to the correct team within Microsoft. So I'll just look around here and see the best category that I can put this feedback, and I think I really feel like it's devices and drivers, and then you come to this other drop down and see whether I'll find keyboard. It's not Bluetooth, it's USB attached keyboard and mice. So that's the one that I'm using, and then I'll move to next. Make sure you've also selected that it's a problem and not a suggestion. I'll move to next, and on the third step, Microsoft using machine learning is going to find similar feedback. So I'll just go through this feedback to see that this feedback is either if it's the same with what I'm finding as a problem. I'll just click on it. If it's not, in this case I can't find anything that is suddenly any feedback that is that is similar. So I'll say that's new feedback and click on next. And then I'll add more details. Which of the following best describes your problem? Missing personal data, security or privacy concern, inability to use PC, important functionality not working. For example, that's my that describes my problem best. And then I can come here and create an attachment. I can attach a screenshot, a file, or I can recreate my problem. So you remember when we said you can launch Feedback Hub using the start menu or using Windows F. Actually, when you use Windows F to launch Feedback Hub, a screenshot is automatically attached. But since we launched the normal way, it's not here. So I'll try and recreate my problem. I'll start recording. Yep. So right now it's recording, and I'll just come to this place over here, which is the Microsoft website. And when I try to click when I try to right click, it's working. But when I try to left click or to double click, it's working. But when I try to middle click and just browse through the page, it's not working. So that's the issue that we are having. So I'll come back here and stop recording. And when I stop recording, my recording should be put somewhere here. Yep, there we go. Still gathering data. So the data that Microsoft here gathers is diagnostic data, so that the engineers or the people who are responsible with investigating feedback are able to investigate it better. So we'll just wait. I'll just pause the video until it's complete. So my diagnostic data has been successfully recorded, and I can attach screenshots if I want. I can attach other files, if I want to. So the next thing I'll do now, I can choose to save a copy of the diagnostics and attachments created while giving feedback, which is optional, or I can choose not to. So the next thing I'll do is just submit my feedback.